This store sells small, medium, and large trucks in the 4 colors listed. And they have an equal number of trucks of each possible combination. So I just used the number 10 for all those. And Paul wants a medium red truck. His mother randomly selects one. What's the probability? So I want to find the probability that the truck she selects will have at least one of the two features. So we want to figure out the probability of medium or red. Medium or red. And using the addition rule, we know that's the probability of medium plus the probability of red minus the probability of medium and red. That's going to subtract off if you've double counted. So the probability of medium is going to be 40 over 120, because that's my 120 is my total number of items. Probability of red's 30 over 120 minus the probability of medium and red. Medium and red, we've double counted that one, so back that one back out, 10 over 120. And that's going to be 60 over 120, which is 1/2.